Greetings, greetings, greetings. You are now tuned into the vault. Trust Christian, know nothing, control everything. Just want to thank you for tuning in live, listening to replay. Always appreciate everybody that tunes in live, listens in the replay. Today we're definitely going to do an episode. This is episode 370, margin call. Everybody wants to trade. Definitely had to do this episode today. We've had so many people come through the vault for years. Look for additional sources of income, ways to figure out how to add to their income, diversify their portfolio. But we already know there's a margin call in their portfolio today. There was a margin call on their account today. This is the Vault episode 370 margin call. Everybody wants to trade. We're just gonna go ahead and give it to people straight and skinny. You know, we have been around traders for years now, but for some odd reason, we got to go over the basics. We hear trustees come back to us telling us that they literally are around traders that are unsuccessful. It's like saying you're listening to financial information that's not working for you. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much talk about the margin call that's just happened to most of America's portfolio. You're still outsourcing your pension to an investment manager that's incompetent, that's not producing quality results, partially because you may not have the capital to deal with a hedge fund manager or somebody that's going to give you exponential returns. And we can even see that, most people don't want to talk about that. So today, let's just go over the numbers of what would be considered the public markets. We're just giving a review. Public markets since January 1st, 2022 was at an all-time high. 47,000 on the S&P. The S&P is down 400 points. That's called the margin call. Why? It we can talk about the percentage. We could also talk about how you outsourced your pension to an investment manager. And if you're long stock, if you're long S&P, like these financial advisors want to tell you, oh, put your money in a long-term fund, bet long. The S&P's never gone down in 20 years. Ladies and gentlemen, it went from 4,700 on the S&P to 4,300 in less than 30 days. We're on the 21st day of the month. Let's talk about it. Because you get these financial goofballs. You're listening to the news after we tell you not to listen to the news. Oh, where are we going to listen to the financial information? It clearly isn't the news because the news told you to put it in S&P. The financial advisor told you to put it in S&P. Let's go over to the Dow. The Dow. January 1st. All-time highs. All-time highs, ladies and gentlemen. Through the past 2 years, all-time highs in the past 2 years. January 1st, market's at all-time highs. 3,400-ish. The market's down 36,435 around January 1st. 36,406, 400 and something. The market's down on the Dow 34,000, 34,268. Now you can do the numbers. It started at the beginning of the year at 36,400 and something. Now it's down 2,000 points. But the financial goofballs, they told you to put your money in the Dow. Go long, right? So we're going to go ahead and talk about it. It's not financial advice. It's not legal advice. We're talking about it. We got a special episode for y'all about the trade because, oh no, Trust Christian Vault, I'm going to sit here and keep listening to people that don't know what the hell they talking about. I'm not going to learn how to trade. I'm just going to bet long. Right. You're betting long, right? They betting long on the market, right? You're betting long on the market. You got your IRA still. Isn't your 401k tied to the stock market? Oh no, I'm going to go to Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bust bubbles today. It's called busting the emotional bubble of the fact that You got to invest in your education. When you invest in your education, you got a chance to stand the financial windfalls that are going to be upon your back. January 1st, 2022, NASDAQ. We're going to go 15, markets at 15,700 something. 15,700 something, around January 1st. We're 20 days into the market. It's down 2,000 points. It's at close today at 13,000. But you don't know how to trade. You don't know how to buy, make money when you're buying. You don't know how to make money selling. What happened to your 401k? Did it take a hit? What happened to your IRA? Did it take a hit? So it's a margin call. Everybody wants to trade. I got to get in there and get in the market. I got to invest my money into these consumer discretionary stocks. Let's go look at Peloton, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, I got to give me a Peloton bike so I can ride my bike in the house, because that's going to last forever. Sure. That's going to last forever. Peloton. In 30 days, the stock was at $38 at the beginning of the year. It's down to 27. But we're going to talk about Peloton because it made most of its money in the pandemic. And that's why we'll go back to January 2021 when Peloton was at $159. Guess what the stock is at today? $27. It was at $159. It's at $27 a year later. But they told you, hey, the goofballs, the guru, hey, invest in whatever you use. We gonna have they got this bike, they got this in-home workout equipment. You can ride the bike in the house with your buddies. The stock January last year was at $150+. The stock's at $27 a year later. Smart money knows that's called a tchotchke. You think people were going to stay in the house and ride the bikes with their friends forever? No. They were going to try to get out the house and be with their friends and family. That's why the stock's at $27. There's no structural demand for it. It was based off of a trend. And people were buying because it was a part of the meme stocks. But oh no. Trust Christian Revolt, don't say it to me like that. Because, I talked to one of the financial goofballs. Let's talk about the financial goofballs. The financial goofballs told me that I should go buy Netflix because Netflix is a hot stock. It's like one of the you just be sitting here looking at these companies, man, and you be like, how is these companies making all this money? Well, we already know they're raising money privately through debt. They're selling debt. They're not raising money from the public. You're not investing in these companies. And retail investors aren't really investing in these companies. And when they do, y'all about to hear what just happened. Everybody say, oh, go buy Netflix stocks, because these idiots, these financial goofballs want to tell you over the internet, oh, you got to buy Netflix. People are going to watch movies over their cell phone and the mobile devices forever. Oh, really? This company, first of all, is over $150 billion in market cap. That means they raised through private debt financing over $150 billion. January 1st, the stock was at $500+. $500+. January 1st, going into 2022. Guess what the stock's at today? Closed down 20 days later. The stock's at 397. You want to know partly why the stock's down? Because their business model is based off that garbage freemium garbage. Oh, you can let 5 people on your profile, your platform. Yeah. At one point, they're going to have to raise the prices on a stinking $15 membership. How you going to compete with cable? You want to know how they competed with cable? In the past 2 weeks, and in the past 21 days, they announced that guess what? Their company is raising prices. You can see how the company's down. Almost $200. Over $590 down to $390. That's easy. You think more people gonna go buy the profile? You think more people gonna go buy Netflix now? Because the membership's higher? Oh man, don't say it like that. We done seen these. This is major. They over 150 billion market cap too. 150 billion market cap. They the same as Peloton. Oh man, Trust Christian in the Vault. I didn't know that it could be like that. The financial goofballs told me to invest in the Netflix because I got Netflix. Right. They told you to go invest in Netflix, right? Right. I heard about these supply chain issues. They ain't got no supply chain issues with a online based web company, online web based company, Netflix. Let's go look at your favorite rapper's rapper. Let's go look at the financial goofball's gonna tell you, oh man, you gotta go buy some Nike stock because Nike, if you wear Nikes, go buy some Nike. You listening to this? A $200 billion company plus. Let's go look at it. $200 billion company plus. The company at the beginning of the year in January. This is your portfolio in a mutual fund, right? You think they don't have Nike in your mutual fund? You think they don't got Netflix in your mutual fund? You think they didn't throw in there? Oh, we gonna be slick. We gonna throw Peloton in there because they got a $150 billion market cap. We gonna throw them in there too. Yeah. Let's go look at your Nike. Nike started out the year at $160. We at 21 days into the year. They down at 140. But hey, it's consumer discretionary. It's you gonna have to buy some Nike shoes. You're gonna have to buy Nike athletic clothes. Oh yeah? But they got supply chain issues, right? Right. What a joke. Let's go look at another company. I mean, we're doing a margin call on y'all portfolio. Because don't think the brokers ain't gave quite a few people a margin call today. We promise you that. The margin call, you thought the market was gonna go up. Because that's what it's been doing. It did that in the past 2 years. Now, suppose a bad market. The market went up right after 2020 May. All through 2021. When was the supply chain issues going to kick in? Let's go look at another company. One of your favorite rappers. Oh, let's go over to Lululemon because all these women are going to go out and buy athletic clothes because they want to get in shape because they've been in the house working out. So, hey, they might as well go get some athletic clothes. And what's going to make you look even sexier than Lululemon? January 1st. January 1st. Lululemon at January 1st, Lululemon's at $390. Lululemon today, 21 days later, is down at $312. But these are the companies you have in your mutual funds. These are the companies you have in your portfolio. Thinking long term. We're gonna go ahead and say it. We're gonna go to the ones that they don't look pretty. We're gonna go to the ones that don't look pretty. Cause everybody wants these companies to look pretty. Oh man, I'm not gonna learn how to trade. I'ma just buy for the long haul. I'ma stick in the stock. Bam. Y'all shouldn't even be touching this company. But this is not financial advice, nor is it legal advice. We're gonna go to the 3rd of January because this company has major swings. Major swings. You don't even want to know how bad the swings are. But let's just go to your favorite company in the world, the so-called richest man's in the world company. He supposedly got the richest company in the world, Tesla. Oh, he's $1 trillion company. We're not going to do January because it's not enough of a dip. It's a dip. Don't worry about it. It's a dip. But we're going to go to November of last year when he was building these new plants that was going to increase production. But does he sell new Teslas or used Teslas? Oh man, I'm gonna go to Tesla. November Tesla's at $1,200. Right now in your portfolio, if you're holding Tesla because you're betting long, we're betting long Tesla. Put us in, baby. We're going EV all the way. EV all the way. How you betting EV all the way? The company's at $943. What? 2 months later? 3 months later, the company's down. It had a whole year of a bull. And you swear out, all I got to do is learn how to just buy a stock. Hold on. You bought a stock. You might have got in Tesla at 1,000. Guess what? It's at 943 right now. You're down in your portfolio. So the broker's giving you a margin call. Now we're going to give y'all a couple insights into this one particular crackpot of a company called Tesla. The company worth $1 trillion, right? Right. But why is it the company only gross profiting $10 million? Did y'all know that? Did y'all know that? Oh man, I'm going EV all the way. I'm going EV. You're going EV, but the company isn't even generating that type of capital? I mean, this is a joke. Oh man, I'm going all in on electric vehicles. You're going in on electric vehicles, right? Do you think, go do your research. Did Tesla sell more cars money wise than Ford did last year? Volume. But they selling cars though. They worth more than Ford though on paper, supposedly through market, right? Market cap, right? It's $1 trillion company. I'm gonna go all in on Tesla. You gonna go all in on Tesla, but for some odd reason, this company hasn't even made more money than Ford in sales. Did it make more money than GMC? But y'all putting your money going long EV, right? And guess what? What makes you think people aren't going to stay loyal to Ford? Stay loyal to whatever that company is. What's the other company? GMC. What makes you think they're not going to stay loyal to these companies and just go buy an electric vehicle from Ford or the other company, GMC or any of these other American car companies? Oh man, Trust Christian Revolt. Well look, you know, I thought I was getting in on a good company here. The financial goofballs, they told me that if I go along what's public on the media, everything's gonna be fine. Let's go look at your other favorite rapper. Let's go look at what's this company? We're pulling up it right now. Because everybody was long this company. Oh, because they just restructured. They did a corporate restructuring. We did a corporate restructuring. Right. Not down a lot, but they're down. Because they're a marketing and advertising company. Meta. Oh no, it's not Facebook no more. Didn't they consolidate? Didn't they restructure and have multiple companies in their portfolio now? Company was at 340 around January. Now the company's at 303. But you got this in your portfolio though, right? You going long term, right? What happened to your portfolio in the short term when it takes these hits? When your account is not able to handle these type of hits? It's the percentage that they hit you on your account, not the dollar amount. It's the percentage that they hit you on your account. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. This is going to be a hard pill to swallow for y'all. Because this is supposed to be the greatest company since sliced bread. Greatest company since sliced bread, y'all. What a joke. Y'all sitting here putting y'all money in these companies. We're not telling y'all what to do. This ain't financial advice, not legal advice. Oh man, I was long Amazon. First of all, do you know what happened? Did you know a worker died on their plant? Did you know one of their workers died on the plant? Oh man, you think that's supposed to be happening at one of the largest companies in the world? Supposedly, $1 trillion company, right? Big boy status, $1 trillion company. Oh man, one of the workers died. I didn't get out the stock and take my profits when I was up. No, you just lost money. How? Because at the beginning of the year, the company's around $3,300. The company's down at 2,800. So the company started out this year opening up the doors. We're going to take the ride. We're going to the moon. $3,300. Company right now, stock valuation is at 2,000. Oh man, what happened, Trust Christian? Do you think people dying on their plant, the institutional investors gonna keep their money in there? These are the major players that even move the S&P, the Dow, or the Nasdaq. But hey man, we day trading every day. How you day trade? Who you day trading? You day trading the S&P? You day trading the Nasdaq? You day trading the Dow? They down. You saw what phase they were in though, right? I can't believe I'm scared to get in and sell. We knew this was going to happen in the beginning of this year. That's the funny part. And that's why we're doing a margin call. Because we know most of y'all got a margin call in your account. Because you was in long. You're not paying attention to the market. You're not doing your market research. But hey, Trust Christian about the financial gurus. They told me to go long Amazon. First of all, Amazon, a year later, still down. You ain't made no money in Amazon for a whole year if you still in the stock. If you was sitting in the stock for the last year, you're down a year later. But you think but hey, I'm gonna go listen to the financial guru websites. I'm gonna go listen to these financial press websites. We already told y'all the news is late. What, they still telling y'all to buy Amazon? What, they still telling y'all to buy Tesla? What, they still telling y'all to buy Netflix? They telling y'all to buy Meta? Is that what they telling you? Because if they did, you've been sitting in this stock, Amazon, for a whole year. And guess what? They're down. They're down. That's why you got a margin call in your account. But oh no, Trust Christian of all, don't tell me that. Because look, I got the financial goofballs telling me to go into this crypto thing, this Bitcoin thing. You knew we was going to go there. Y'all knew we was going to go there. 700 billion. They're approaching a trillion. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, I knew we was going to go there. Oh man, they started out the year blazing hot. First of all, they were already down from last year's highs. Started out the year 47,000. What are they at today? I thought when the market is moving slow, I thought this what the financial gurus tell you. Well, when the regular securities and equities are going down, Bitcoin's going to go up. We've seen it already. This is a safe haven for money. What do you mean it's a safe haven for the money? For the past 2 weeks, it's been going down. Started out at 47 this year. It's down at 36 right now, closing on Friday. But the financial goofballs, they told you to what? Let's go long it. You went long, and you've been losing money by the day. But it goes up 20% every year. First of all, a year ago, the stock was at $32,000 in January. It wasn't the stock, Bitcoin. They actually measure it against the dollar because it has no fixed weight. Oh man, it was at 32. If I got in, I saw it go up to 60. I seen it even go to 65 and get back down to 36 a year later. But the financial goofballs told me, don't worry about it. All this financial crypto stuff, it's going to go up forever. Yeah, right. And what happens when you're not trading? But everybody wants to trade. We know you do. And that's why most people are losing money. So let's go over to the next best finger fart. Oh man, we're going to go into the other one called Ethereum. Because Ethereum, that's the safe haven for the NFTs. The NFTs are going through Ethereum. I thought they just went off a NFT Terry. They went off an NFT bull market in 2020, run, correct? So what are they down for at the beginning of 2022? You don't really understand the market because you're not doing your research. January 1st, 2022, Ethereum was at 3,700. Where is that Ethereum at 2 or 3 weeks into the new year? 2,600. Oh man, Trust Christian Vault. I can't really explain it. The stock market's down, so why is Ethereum down? But hey, if we got in a year ago in Ethereum, it was 1,300. This was one of the stronger players, just at 2,600. You also didn't sell at the high in late November at 4,600. You're down 2,000. You think that's good trader mentality? No. Y'all want to talk about this Warren Buffett approach? It's called buy and hold. Oh man, I'm going to do the buy and hold stuff. I'm doing buy and hold. What a joke. I'm listening to the financial goofballs on the internet. I'm going to listen to the financial goofballs. I'm going to listen to all the media that these guys buy ads every year for the company. All right. Oh, man, you should go into the airlines. You should go into the airlines. That's what they've been telling y'all, right? Right. What a joke. American Airlines. Company, a month into the new year. Because y'all thought, oh man, this company, it's gonna have to go up. It's gonna have to go up. Remember, we said it's not the dollar amount, it's the percentage that it hits your account. It ain't a lot of percentage to go from $18 to zero, is it? No. The stock says $16 though. It started out this year 18, peaked out last week at 19. It's down 16. You're down in your portfolio. Oh no, I got it last year. I got in American Airlines because the financial goofballs, they told me to get in. Last year, hey, we ain't gonna never see airlines be this low again. Yeah, right. You got in last year in January at about $15. The stock's at 16. I didn't know I could sell at 21. I didn't know I could sell at 24. I didn't know I could sell at pretty much $24. I didn't sell. I'm using the Warren Buffett approach. I'm going long term. The stock, look at it. I mean, this is funny as heck to see people like, oh man, they got to make the comeback. What a joke. I'm going to go buy Virgin Galactic because that's what's in my portfolio long term with the mutual fund portfolio managers. The portfolio managers told me, the financial advisor with the mutual fund selling you a goddamn mutual fund with all these stocks in it. They're not showing y'all how to trade. They selling y'all garbage. Oh man. Okay. Virgin Galactic. First of all, the company's been around. Let's go ahead and tell you how long the company been around. Company's been around 2017. So you got some time in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, we gonna bet on space flights, commercial space flights. Who the heck you think got the money to go to space? Billionaires, multimillionaires. We were looking at some air balloon stuff the other day going to space. That's $1 million trip. Do you got $1 million? Do you think that's a quality investment with your money? But oh no, we got that somewhere in our portfolio. Why? Because, why wouldn't we have it in there? People want to go to space. Yeah. Company last year around this time was at $30. 2021, the company was at $30. Reached a high of 54. The company is at $8 into 2022, the new year. Y'all got these companies in your portfolio though. Oh man, I gotta have that in my portfolio. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh man, I gotta go to the technology sector. We already done showed y'all what tech is doing. We already done showed you what the tech is doing. How they making your portfolio go? We're gonna look up this one. Because usually I like looking at these ETFs anyways. Oh man, I'm gonna just go buy an ETF. Ain't that what these goofballs be telling y'all? Go buy the ETF. Go buy the mutual fund for the company. Right. Go buy the technology and ETF for the company. What are you talking about? Let's go see what one of the major companies, what their portfolio exposure is. Because y'all ain't looking at who these ETFs are exposed to. I'm just going to go get in the technology ETF. Let's go look at Apple. We got to show y'all what Apple doing. Oh, man. I got Apple in my portfolio, Trust Christian Vault. Man, that company ain't been right since Steve Jobs died. I'm sorry. Y'all sorry to hear that. Oh, man, I can't believe it. If they don't come out with a new phone every year, they're borderline bankrupt. That's just the facts. That's a hard pill to swallow. $2 trillion company, though, right? Right. Into the new year, oh man, I got my money in Apple because I got iPhone because the financial goofballs told me to put my money in Apple. That's what I'm supposed to do. I got an iPhone. Why don't I just go buy an iPhone? I buy Apple stock. Okay. January. We're going to go to the 3rd. Stock was at 180. Stock's down at 162. Just 2-3 weeks into the new year. How do you think that affects your portfolio? It's not the dollar amount that it goes down. It's the percentage that it hits your account. It's called a margin call. You didn't have enough money to withstand that type of back drawdown. You didn't even know why Tesla stock went down when the owner of the company is selling shares, when he cashes out for $100 million. That's how much money leaves the company value sheet. He sold his stock over at Tesla. Oh man, I'm gonna go get Nvidia. You're in Nvidia, a company that they already told you that there was a daggone chip shortage. But you still gotta be in these chip companies, right? We're not even gonna entertain that BS. You're sitting here in these goddamn company funds and you're getting ate up. It's not the dollar amount that hits you. It's the goddamn percentage it hits your account. Let's go to the next one though. Hey man, you know, it can't be that bad. Cause we're gonna go to the big boys. These are the ones holding the stock market down. When we say hold it down, meaning this is where the financial goofballs, financial advisors are putting your money, and that's why you got a margin call on Friday. You thought at the beginning of the week, oh man, S&P is looking a little shaky. We knew it was going to drop past the 4,500. We just was waiting for it. They ended the day a week later, out of 3 weeks into the new year, after going to all-time highs at 3,400. That was almost unbelievable. It getting to 4,500 before the end of the year, knowing that there were supply chain shortages, knowing that there were labor shortages. We knew that. There's still that going on. But they're not telling y'all that. Let's go to oh man, we got to go to a software company. Software as a service. We going to Microsoft. Oh man, Microsoft, man, is one of the top companies in the world. $337 beginning of January. $300, $330 at the beginning of January. Guess what their stock's at? $295. It's not the dollar amount, it's the percentage that it hits your account. They're down $295. Well, Trust Christian Revolt, I just got in. You know you just got in because you just got in your mutual fund. But I got in last year. The company's up, but you didn't get out of its height at 340 and take your profits when you could. You're down now because there's some drawdown. And we already know this is what happens to people that don't have a proper financial education. They sit in these companies. Y'all don't even know. Most of those companies are what are moving the S&P, that are moving the Dow, that are moving the NASDAQ. That's what's really moving the company market. That's moving the market. Bottom line. You have no financial control over your future because you're not doing your research on these companies. You didn't know. I didn't know Tesla sold him. I didn't know whatever his name is, Musk. He sold $100 million of his stock. Why would he sell if the company's so valuable and he's worth so much? Right. Oh man, I mean Netflix, they increased their prices. There could be a possibility on why the daggone company went down in volume over the past couple weeks. Man, that's a lot to hear right there, Trust Christian Revolt. So what are we supposed to be doing? You got to get your financial education up. Bottom line. It's hard to hear. It is what it is. Where do I start? Hey, you can reach out, Christian at Trust Christian. We can go over some resources with you. Y'all don't need to pay us because we already done benefited from these moves. We knew this was going to happen. Well, y'all sitting over there in the financial goofballs are telling y'all, oh man, go buy some Nike stock because you wear it. Go buy Netflix because you got it. And those companies are down. Oh, let's go look at oh man, there's no way we could end this episode without talking about this stupid company right here. Oh man, I was in Robinhood. Robinhood was supposed to be the revolutionary company for the millennials to get money. It was the revolutionary company for the millennials to get money. Right. What a joke. What a goddamn joke. January. Company Netflix started out at $18. It's not about the dollar, it's about the percentage. I thought Robinhood was so valuable. Right? Launched at came out $18. Running hard. Coming out of the past 2 years because people were going on there. Everybody's supposed to be making money on Robinhood. Yeah, right. They got outed by the gov and by the people. Their stock's down. 3 weeks into the new year, $12. Was at 18 at the beginning of January, down $12. This was the company you were supposed to be holding in your portfolio, right? Right. This the company, oh man, Trust Christian Revolt, don't talk to me like that. We bought it when it came on the market. We bought Robinhood when it came out. We bought it somewhere last year. We bought it at its high, $51. We had it in the middle of last year, $41. The company's down to $12. What happened, Robinhood? Was it the public controversy that you had people thinking they were gonna make money on your marketing platform? What happened, Robinhood? Let's go see what type of company Robinhood is. Or they were supposed to be a technology company. They're really a marketing company. Who do you think's who's paying for the technology? Guess what? Who's paying for the technology? The hedge funds, the private equity investors. They're paying for the retail investors' data. We already got exposed. They already got court cases about it. That's why they went in front of Congress. Why do you think they went in front of Congress? Because they were a great company? They sell their news information from various sites. Come on now. Well, I'm going to get on Robinhood because, I'm still dealing with this company. The company's so valuable. It's down half its value. Easy. And what makes you think it's not going to go to zero? Now, we're not calling it, but when you're not presenting value, what value do they have? The only value they got is to hedge funds. So they got to get more money now. They're going to have to raise some capital this year so they can get their marketing back out there again. Because they took a hit last year through marketing. Why? Because they had negative news come out about them. Just like Amazon had negative news come out about it. But these goofballs want to tell you, hey, if you over here using the Amazon platform, if you using the Robinhood platform, you might as well go and buy some of their stock. And that's why you're down in your portfolio. And that's why you got a margin call. Trust Christian Vault, I ain't getting no margin call. I'm still in my demo account. We already know what you doing. I'm in a demo account. I ain't lose no money. Appreciate Memphis, Tennessee for tuning in live, listening to replay. Always appreciate Memphis, Tennessee for tuning in live, listening to replay. See, this is what they're not going to tell y'all on the regular news. Why would they tell you that? Why would they tell you that they down in these companies? When these are the companies paying for ads on the website. Exactly. They told me to go buy that company. Because at one point, it's going to be a turnaround story. Well, if you betting on Amazon if you betting on whatever that company name is, if you betting on Peloton being a turnaround, if you betting on all these other companies being a turnaround, have at it. But you didn't know how to trade yet. You didn't learn how to trade yet. Right. And that's all we got to talk about, folks. We could go to the dollar index. Let's go see the dollar index. I gotta look for the dollar index. Why, real quick. Give us a second, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking for the dollar index ticker so we can give it to y'all. Because, hey, everybody wants to bet against the dollar. We went and bought Bitcoin. Yeah, right. And that's why you're down. Oh, man. Oh, man, they told me. Financial gurus told me the dollar's trash. Okay. The dollar's trash, right? Let's go look at the dollar's trash stuff. Garbage. Oh, man, they told me, don't worry about this. I'm gonna go into the dollar. I'm not gonna hold the dollar, cause that's the currency that I use on a regular basis. Hey, granted, dollar at the beginning of the year was around $96, 96 on the index. Where's that? 95. You're not losing value. But we're gonna go ahead, go to the dollar over a year. Cause they trust Christian Revolt. I don't bet. I'm gonna bet against the dollar like an idiot. Cause you're using it every day. The world uses it every day. I'm gonna bet against the dollar. Right. The dollar beginning of last year. Let's go ahead and stretch this out right here. Gotta go ahead and stretch it out for y'all. January 2021 was at 90. It's about 95. But you're betting against the money that you're using every day. Oh man, I'm not gonna be long the dollar because everybody's telling me I gotta go against the dollar. I gotta go buy Bitcoin. I gotta go buy all these other assets. Oh, we got an episode for y'all about that trading and that asset stuff. Now y'all can see why most of your friends don't even want to talk about money. Now you can see why your associates don't want to talk about this type of stuff. Why? Because they don't know how to invest. Because they don't know how to invest in their private education. They don't know how to invest in their financial education. That's what. So if they knew how to invest in their financial education, they wouldn't have got a margin call and wouldn't be telling you, no, trust Christian vote. I don't even want to talk about no stocks right now because I'm down. Tesla's down and all these other companies are down. I don't even know why. I called my financial advisor. He not even picking up the phone at the beginning of the year this year because the percentage that these companies have fell is out of this world. Go look at Netflix. The financial gurus told you to go buy Netflix and Nike, right? Right. Get out of here. Because you didn't learn how to trade. That's why. You're not supposed to just buy and hold. Y'all don't even understand. Most of these pension funds and long only funds, they're not even going to help you retire in dignity. Y'all don't even want to hear that these companies dang they're gone out of business. Talking about, oh, go buy some Robinhood stock. Yeah, right. And that's why you're down in your portfolio right now. That's why you're down in your portfolio right now. Because the institutions say, look, we might as well take off a couple 10, 20% off the stock. Because we already know, if it is worth anything, we'll get back in at the right time. We still got majority holdings. We just got some retail money. It's a buy-in. It's a zero-sum game. This is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. It's business, not personal, where we're at the vault. Oh, man, they told you go buy crypto. But then it's down. And you don't even know how much further it's going to go down because you don't even know why it went up. Other than the fact that it was supposed to be a safe haven. If it was such a safe haven, when the market's going down for the past 2-3 weeks, where's the financial investment and liquidity to the market? Guess what? The institutional investors, they took it. And they got out. Because they know that it's not everything goes up. What trading partner Cornell told us in the beginning. The stock market don't just go straight up. So when you take these blowbacks in your account, it's taking your new money you're contributing to the 401k. It's taking your new money that you're contributing to the IRA. Oops, we had to say it on the episode. Margin call. Everybody wants to trade. Everybody wants to get into the trading. Yeah, right. When they're not doing their research. You got to investigate before you invest. They didn't even know that Amazon had an issue with someone dying at the plant. It is what it is. It's public information. Oh man, but I just put some money in there, you know what I mean, through my Amazon account. Through my Robinhood account, you could put a little bit of money in at a time. What a joke. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening to the replay. This is Trust Christian. Own nothing, control everything, the vault. Feel free to reach out Christian at trustchristian.com if you want to improve your proficiency at these things. We got a trading partner, Cornell. We work with him. Feel free to go back through some of the episodes, listen to trading partner Cornell. He's done workshops with us, and as well he does webinars. And you got to be able to trade any market, financial markets, equity markets, commodity markets. You got to be able to trade these things. You think copper's down? Y'all think copper's down? Maybe because supply chain issues. Oil's up, right? The price of gas is up, right? But it was supply chain bottlenecks. Oh, we can't move these things through some daggone canal that got backed up. We not getting stuff coming out of China right now because of supply chain issues. It don't look like it's a lack of supply for oil, and it definitely ain't a lack of demand. It's at not at an all-time high, but oil's up. Wait, go look at where oil was at. We're gonna go ahead and give y'all where the oil was a year ago. Cause oh man, I didn't know about oil. Look at crude oil. Man, I gotta get in oil. Last year, oil and what's that? Oil for the market. This is crude oil around $50 at the beginning of January. Around $50. Oil's up percentage wise, right? It's up to 84 right now. But you was Man, I don't know why we're getting oil. We going to electric vehicle cars. All right, electric vehicle cars is the push, right? But oil still is cranking out profits for people that are buying. Not to say they're buying whole, but the traders that are aware of what the market's doing. That's all it is. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen, replay. Christian at trustchristian.com. Y'all think this over, don't y'all? Y'all think that the market is about, hey, ain't no way the market could drop another 2, 3, 400 points on the S&P. Ain't no way it could drop thousands of points again on the Dow and the Nasdaq. Ain't no way. We don't even need to talk about it. Why? The expectations are too high for these companies. Y'all thought that these companies were gonna go up forever? Oh man, trust Christian vote. Don't say it like that. I thought they were supposed to go up because people keep putting money into them. Yeah, right. Y'all gonna find out. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening, replay. Once again, we appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening, replay. Feel free to reach out if you like. Christian at trustchristian.com. Once again, that's Christian at trustchristian.com. This is the Vote, episode 370. Margin calls. Definitely not legal advice. Definitely not financial advice. But people have found out if you're taking financial advice from the TV, why you might have just got a margin call on your account. No matter how big it was, you got a margin call. That means you owe the broker because you didn't think these companies were going to go down. You only knew how to trade one way, one direction. That's to the moon. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening, replay. Christian at trustchristian.com. Peace and joy.